So we're going to Iloilo, and with me is Rafa. So we're waiting for our flight, early flight here in Zamboanga City Airport or Zamboanga International Airport. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari sa biyaheng to. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog a lot.
Kapag pa lamang namin ang lahat na ilagay sa power banks.
Iloilo finally. We're here in Iloilo. Ay grabe oh, mo ng sugat. Tuway ka nagsute? Thank you boys and BJ. Biabe tilawan tabi.
Fresh. Sorry. Regular. At may dua, may fresh. Ay, grabe, diba lang. Ay, galit. Dayon. Ito yun lang, cool. Isa na lang.